Have you ever copied the same code again and again and again? That's a problem, because programmers don't like repeating themselves. Instead, they use functions. A function is simply a block of code that you can reuse whenever you need it. Think of it like a machine. You create it once, then you use it as many times as you want. Let's look at an example. We create a function called say_hello. Inside it, we print hello. Now, whenever we call that function, Python runs the code for us. We don't need to rewrite it. That's why functions are so important. They make your code cleaner, shorter, and easier to manage. So here's the simple idea. A function is reusable code. Write it once, use it many times. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to send data into functions using parameters and arguments.